So this is my learning on the chapter 7 of ASEAN. Management is a process of regulating inventory levels across various supply chain. Businesses' inventory costs must be kept as low as possible while maintaining the caliber of service that clients demand. The main source of information for inventory control is forecast of product cost and commodity demand. By employing economies of scale, these two inputs continuously manage commodity supplies and satisfy demand and increases production rates. An inventory an inventory organization control, often known as the supply chain overall, is a set of duties related to the administration of the three inventory categories. Every stock category faces different difficulties that differ from the business of the businesses. Having minimum safety inventory is the aim of inventory management, which is the amount of ingredients you expect to purchase when you repurchase a company. The inventory stage is influenced by a number of elements, including storage space, perishability, supply timetable, operating calendar, future saving from higher purchasing scale, and the relative value of stock exists. After forecasting techniques are also being used to satisfy the demand and supply needs to companies continuously operation. These techniques includes knives moving average exponential, smoothing linear regression, multiple regression, par level just in time. However, other procurement methods would focus on topics like quality control, inventory management, and when to place an order requirements, specification, competitive bids, seller inquiries, financial condition management, and supplying tracking, refund negotiations, administration adjustments, warehouse setup, suppliers evaluation, brand name negotiations, and acceptable of the purchasing source, purchasing administration, and organization are comprised of planning, organized, staffing, screening, budgeting, and managing and controlling. Ito muna.